Good morning, Sunrisers. I'm Dr. Karen Emerson, owner of Emerson Animal Hospital here in West Point, Mississippi, and this is Captain. He is a 2-year-old blue heeler that accidentally got into bones. We don't know for sure. I thought they were chicken bones. They could have been cow bones because he is a working cattle dog. He presented with a very, very high white blood cell count, and what that means is it's the cells in the body that fight infection. So his body was in war with itself because it had these bones sitting in the intestinal tract, and his body could not push the bones through. So I know sometimes we're sitting at the dinner table and you're eating some rib, and it's like, oh, so good, and your little baby's sitting there crying at you, looking at you with those cute little eyes. Don't give him the bone. Have you a little thing of treats sitting on the sideboard or somewhere where you can give him a dog treat instead of a bone. It took Captain almost 10 days to pass the bones that were in his GI tract. We're going to go in there and actually look at some x-rays that show how inflamed his stomach was and where the bones were sitting at in his GI tract. We would have had to normally go in and do surgery, but every day I checked and the bones were moving through. So this is the first day Captain presented. As you can see, this is the intestines full of gas, and then right here, that's the pieces of bone, and there's other pieces of bone in his stomach. So we started fluids, started IV antibiotics, and then this is the next day. As you can see, we're pushing all the bone through the intestinal tract. We've got bone here we're pushing, and we have bone here. This is the third picture where we got all the bone pushed through, and there it is. It's about to come out the rectum. So this is a very serious thing that can happen. The bone can perforate through the intestine, and you can leak fecal material in the abdomen. Captain had to stay in hospital so long because of the fact he went out and ate bones. Now, I know sometimes this is not in your control for your animal to go out and eat bones. So if you do notice that your animals went out and got into a deer carcass or a cow carcass and they start feeling really bad, not wanting to eat their dog food, bring them into your veterinarian immediately. So if you guys have any questions or have an animal that's eating bones or eating something odd, give us a call here at Emerson and we'll help you out. Thanks.
WCBI Animal Health with Dr. Emerson was brought to you by Emerson Animal Hospital in West Point.